Hello from 1844 Creations. In this video, I will show you how to use my digital task cards for multiplying decimals. We begin by reading all the instructions and then we're going to click Present. This is the question board and we'll start with question number 1. We have 4 selections. I am going to select the correct answer. That will take me to this board. My answer is correct. Then I return to the question board. I go to question number 2. Again, I have 4 selections and I am going to select the wrong answer. So I can return to the question board and try again. I'll get the wrong answer again, or I can check the answer board. That was question number 2, so I'm going to click on question number 2. It shows me the answer for question number 2. Then I return to the question board. Now I click on question number 3, and the correct answer is yes. So now I return to the question board, and I would do all of these questions all the way to 20, and then I click End, and I have my certificates. Congratulations! Thank you very much for watching this video.